So I've shown you how I do like a very detailed video of how I do the mechanics of the Big Stitch quilting, but I've had a lot of people ask, I talk a lot about how I love to sit on the couch and do my stitching at night, and a lot of people have asked exactly how am I sitting and how am I holding that hoop. So that's what I'm showing you here. I like to sit tailor style. It's the most comfortable way for me to sit, and it's funny that it's called tailor style because I really do think it's the best way to sit and sew if you can sit like this. I like to use my knees as a support for what I'm working on. So if you can't sit tailor style, you can use the arm of the couch for one of your supports, or you can use some pillows or something like that, but I like to use my legs to set my work on. So I've got a big quilt here, and what I like to do is to just like bunch up the sides of the quilt under the edges of the hoop, because it like really nestles in that way and it'll stay solid. If I'm working on a smaller piece that doesn't have all of this around the side, I'll just balance the sides of the hoop on my legs. But if I have a lot of quilt, I'll give myself a little extra height that way. And then I've got a whole bunch of room underneath, so I've got my hand under here and I can move it freely underneath. And once I get settled and I just kind of push the excess away, so I've got plenty of room underneath here to move around. Then I need to take my glasses off so I can see. And I've got my right hand underneath the hoop and my left hand on top of the hoop, because my right hand is dominant, so I can work better with it blind. And my left hand I'm not as good with, so that's the hand I need to be able to see what I'm doing. And then I just start stitching. And having the edges of the hoop propped up on my knees just gives me plenty of room to work from both the top and the bottom like I like. And that's it.